guys? So many of you may have heard by now that YouTube's been changing their policies, and basically, in a nutshell, it made it harder for smaller creators like me to be able to monetize their channel. So since I don't have 1,000 subscribers, or I think it was 4,000 hours total of watch time in a year, that means I don't qualify, which means I'm getting demonetized. Honestly, I wouldn't care if it weren't for one thing. So since I don't qualify as a YouTube partner anymore, that means I can't have some of their YouTube partner features. Some of those features being having those little cards and that subscribe button at the end of my videos. And that's honestly a bother. I really liked having those, and it gives a new potential viewer the ability to like check out some of my other videos more easily. So I'm kind of bummed out about that. But that's honestly the only difference you're really gonna see. Like, you're not gonna see ads, of course, and you're not gonna see those cards, but I'm still gonna keep doing what I'm gonna do. I am not doing this for the money. I'm doing this because this is a goal that I set many years ago. I started making YouTube videos, and I think it was 2008, 2009, like a long time ago, about 10 years I think now. And when I first started, the first video I ever put up was just for fun. It wasn't to make money. I don't even know if you could make money on YouTube at the time. I mean, it was a decade ago. That's what it was for years. That's the only reason I ever did that, and that's still the only reason it is today. I'm not gonna get into specifics, but I really wasn't making a whole lot of money from YouTube at all, if anything. So it's really not gonna change anything on this channel. Being able to make videos on YouTube as a living is a dream that I've had for years, but that doesn't mean just because I can't make money right now, doesn't mean I'm gonna stop. YouTube is a journey. It is a marathon, not a sprint. So just because I can't make any money, at least from ads right now, doesn't mean I won't be able to in the long run. All right, now that that's out of the way, let's carry on with this photo vlog, shall we? So for today's vlog, I'm going to be talking about how you can direct the focus, or like direct where the audience is looking in your photo. There are a lot of ways to do this, but one of them is using lines. And by lines, I mean that very literally. Any kind of lines that you see in the photo can be used to direct where the audience looks if you know how to use them. So this is a photo I took, I think yesterday, and it was at this place called, starting with a B, I don't remember the name of it, but it was at this place downtown, and it had a lot of lines in it just because of the way the building was made, I guess. I don't know. I stood kind of right where all the lines lead up to, so then the audience is going to naturally look in that direction. Alright, so with that in mind, I'm going to go downtown to a spot. We'll meet there. So I decided to come here to this building because I've never actually seen it before. I figured it'd be a good way to kind of show you how to use the environment and the lines around you to direct the audience wherever you want them to look. So basically in the photo that I just took, you can see that the building there kind of like draws your eye over here. That was the whole point of this, but I'm freezing. My fingers are like dying, so I'm gonna go